it's intense. Just the way it's pure rage. It feels like a large temper tantrum. It's not like you're sitting down and having reasoned discourse, and it's an attempt to. It's really just an assertion of raw power, you know. But the thing that's weird is the way it's an assertion by raw power by claiming victimhood. Like the thing that I remember that I just still haven't got my mind around was the way it looked to me like the people in the crowd came with pre-painted bruises and stuff, you know. So they came make-upped to have been victims.
Particularly what we're doing right now is painting our faces as if we've been hit or bullied or physically harassed in some way to show that words have consequences.
But as a way to just plain shut down what was going on. And so it's this weird ability to manipulate victimhood into a fist. And it's just crazy.
Fuck you, shit, shut up! Shut up! I don't give a shit what he's saying. He's a fucking... You don't want to hear it. That man's homophobic, misogynistic piece of shit. Don't get your input. Get your input. My friend. Don't touch me. Hey!
We want to stand on the side of love, not war.
Why don't you live what you say you believe? And I would say to all the diversity mongers, why don't you live what you say you believe? Why don't you, I've diversity for everybody who thinks like me. You need to wake up. You're not committed to free speech. You're not committed to diversity. You're not committed to all the things you say that you're committed to. And this is not the first time I've run into the tolerance buzzsaw. If you want diversity, then show me how committed you are to it.